going on, everybody? Dan with Right Now Powder Coating here. Hey, I have started a new rack build for powder coating, and I thought I would capture the build process for you guys, and I didn't really think about it until I already laid it out. So we've got these motorcycle parts, or it's not a part for a motorcycle, but it's for hauling motorcycles in the back of a truck. And with our current carts, we're only able to do like 10 pieces at a time because they're more set up for wheels. So we are redesigning a new rack so we can get about 35 to 40 parts on at a time, which will obviously speed up our production quite a bit. So go ahead, watch along. We're going to show you how we built this cart. I'm not a great welder, so please be easy on that. And then we don't have a great welder, obviously. This is a flux core Craftsman welder I've had since I was in college, but it will get the job done. We've kind of tacked out the frame here. This is the bottom of the cart, and then we'll build it up. So sit back, relax, and let's crank this thing out real quick. guys, here is the final product. As you can see, I've got all of my parts staged up here. Now we're going from a cart that would hold 10 parts that allowed us to kind of sort of paint the front and backs with some efficiency to a cart that's going to allow us to do it just about perfectly. So you can get in here and get all the back sides and then watch your head, dunk in, and get in the front. So this cart is going to do all of that perfectly for us. It's going to up our production by 5 times. We went from 10 parts to 50 just on this one cart. The nice thing about it is we built in these little brackets here so that we can pop these pieces out, so the cart's a little more versatile than had we not done it that way. So I'm super excited about it. Plus we can still get our forklift in here. It'll pull in and hit these 2 bars, pick it up, and we'll be able to move it in. So as always, thank you for watching our video. Give us that big old thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Any questions, comments, leave them below, and we will catch you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe.